How's it going, everybody? I got a quick video I'm about to do today. My faucet has been acting up lately, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Also, I decided I want to update my bidet, and instead of it just having it connected to the cold water from the toilet supply line, I'm about to tap into the hot water under here, and then choose the temperature that I want the water coming out of the bidet of. And I'll show you guys how that works. Okay, let me show you guys what I did so far. So I just went to start with square one. I went ahead and replaced the faucet. I just mounted. I haven't hooked up the water yet. And then with the toilet, I got rid of the bidet. I just returned the regular toilet supply line. So right now we're at square one. Okay? Now, that's what we're about to do. Instead of connecting the water supply from the faucet directly to the quarter turn shutoff, we're going to install this T, which is like basically what they use for dishwashers and whatnot. So that way, the top is going to go to the faucet, and the side is going to go to this supply, which feeds the mixing valve. All right. So we're gonna do one for the hot, and then one for the cold, and the bottom, that's going to go to the bidet. So let me get this hooked up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, we are all set. That's the bidet right there, going into the mixing valve. Then you got the cold and hot flowing right into the T's. Boom, boom. The black ones are for the faucet. And I have it set at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just got a couple screws right there holding it in place. But I'll scoot over to the right as much as I can, strap it in. And that way that gives us as much reach as we can get out of this. And it's all set. Warm water, baby.